Folks at home, I don't know how I'm going to tell you this, but we got hit, and we got hit hard. Last night we had a blizzard here in Philadelphia. Smacked us with about 2 inches of snow, okay? Yeah, 2 inches. And just want to let you know, here it is. Now the kids aren't up yet. I already shoveled. So they didn't hear the devastating news yet. They don't know that we're going to be stuck inside for a while now. So that's it for today, folks. I'll let you know if I make any progress getting these folks out of this home. Till next time.